Hello again. If you want to see more interesting video, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Please feel free to leave us a comment. This is very important support for us. Thanks you. Sesame oil and wine shrimp. Medicated sesame oil wine is a very good material for tonic in winter. Use nourishing and mild Chinese medicinal materials such as ginseng, Angelica, red dates, astragalus, and wolfberry, with sesame oil, wine, ginger that can drive cold, promote qi and blood circulation, and add plump fresh prawns, nourishing and delicious. Prepare ingredients. Material: 30 grams sliced ginger, 5 tablespoons of sesame oil, Shaoxing Huadiao wine, rice wine 120 milliliters, about 3 bowls of water, a pinch of salt. Medicated food materials: 15 grams ginseng, Angelica 10 grams, 7 red dates, cord, Huang Qi 8 tablets, 1 tablespoon of wolfberry. Step: cut off the shrimp silk, pick out the intestines, wash and set aside. Add sesame oil to the pan and fry the ginger slices until slightly browned. Add shrimp and fry over high heat until it turns red. Pour in Shaoxing wine, then cover and continue to cook for 1 minute on high heat. Then pour the cooked medicinal soup and ingredients, continue to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, add salt to taste as needed. The shrimp meat absorbs the faint medicinal flavor, and the aroma of sesame oil and rice wine. The shrimp is sweet in the mouth, and it is really delicious. The boiled medicinal sesame oil and wine soup has the flavor of medicinal materials, sesame oil and wine, as well as the sweetness of shrimp. It is very delicious when used with noodles,